This somatic movement flow is called Namaste Flow, and it's also considered pranayama paired with movement. So in general somatic yoga, we like to begin in a body scan. So if you'd like to close your eyes and just sit comfortably and take a few moments to turn your focus inward and particularly notice what you feel as an internal felt sensation. For example, right now I can feel the parts of my body that are touching the ground. I can feel my clothes touching my skin. I can feel the air touching my skin. So those are the obvious sensations. So what do you notice right now? What's the quality of your experience just sitting here with me breathing? There's no judgment. Just become aware, be witness consciousness. How do you feel right now? And then open your eyes. And I'm going to be asking you at the end of the flow, how do you feel? So to prepare for this flow, I'd like to invite us both to take cleansing breaths. So let's start by inhaling through the nose and make an audible sound on the exhale. And as we exhale, let's just let our body just melt and soften into the moment. It's really about bringing our full awareness present right now. So let's do it again. Inhale. Audible exhale. Softening the face, softening the shoulders, softening the hips. And last time, inhale. And exhale. Good. Beautiful. And now bring your hands to prayer position in front of the heart. And we'll take another in-breath together. So inhale. On the exhale, bring your chin to the chest, extend the arms, tuck the pelvis, and create a big, large C shape with the back body. And then inhale, lift the arms up. And then exhale, let the arms float back down by your side towards the earth. And then return the hands back in front of the chest. So we're going to do this several times. Inhale. Exhale, extend the arms. Tuck the pelvis, chin to chest. Inhale, lift the arms, keeping your shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, let the arms float through our auric field, the hands back towards the earth, and inhale the hands back to heart center. Exhale, extend the arms. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, let the arms and hands come down. Bring the hands back to heart center. And let's do a couple of rounds without verbal instructions. I'll start with an inhale. Extra sip of air at the top. Slowly let all the air out of your lungs. Bring your hands back to the heart. And then bring the hands back on top of the knees, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Draw all of your attention inward. And what do you notice on the level of internal felt sensation? There's no right or wrong answer. I'm just going to invite you to explore and notice what arises. For example, for me, I feel a lot of sensation in the hands and fingertips. I feel much more relaxed. Actually, all of my senses are heightened. Feel calm. So how do you feel? And I appreciate you following along, and remember to awaken the possible.